Hello everyone, welcome back ma. In the last class we have completed the exercise 2 in your second chapter. Now we'll see that is about in the last class that is about your what? Multiplication of fractions, yes or no? Multiplications or additions? Yes, multiplications of fractions we have completed. Now we'll see a new topic, that is multiplication of a fraction with another fraction. Okay, means two fractions you should multiply. Clear? See here, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 4 is there. These two are fractions. Okay, you should multiply these two. How can you multiply? Tell me. 1 by 4 is nothing but it was a total 4 parts of circle. In that 4 parts, one part is shaded. So that is nothing but can be considered as 1 by 4. Okay. How can you consider 1 by 2? Total in your circle, total 2 parts are there. In that 2 parts, one part is shaded. So it can be considered as 1 by 2. Clear? This is how the fractions will be taken into consideration. Now if you multiply this 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, just see here. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is there. 1 in just you have to multiply. Means 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. 1 by 8 is your fraction, resultant of a multiplication with a multiplication. See, if you write in a diagrammatic form, see this is a circle. This circle is divided into total 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts. In that 8 parts, total how much? 1 by 8 is considered. So one part of the total circle is shaded. So you have to shade one part of total parts of a circle. Clear? This is how you have to multiply the fractions. Okay. Next, we'll see example. Just write down in your class works. Keep side heading as multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. After writing this, what you have to do? Write down this example. Okay. Write down this example. After writing, see here, what is this example? 2 by 3 of 2 by 5. So you have to multiply these two fractions, 2 by 3 into 2 by 5. See, 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 is nothing but numerators. What is their numerator? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. In the denominators, 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 is your answer. Clear? This is how you have to do the multiplication with a multiplication. And the basic statement of that is, here we can observe that product of two fractions. Okay, product of that two fractions is said to be a product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Clear? And write down this statement. After completion of that example, write down this statement. After that, we'll see examples. Okay, see here, example 6. Narendra reads 1 by 4 of a short novel in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour he read 1 by 4 of a short novel. Clear? What part of a book will be have read in 2.5 hours? Okay. See, 1 hour lo 1 by short book chadivadu nana. Now enta inka 2.5 hours lo total la enta chadivadu anedi, that is your question. So what you have to do, the part of the novel read by Narendra in 1 hour is 1 by 4. So in 2.5 hours, how can that means what part of book will be read? Okay, that is how you have to find out. So the part of the novel read by him in 2.5 hours equal to 2 into 1 by 2. This is in your mixed fraction. So convert this into proper fraction, that is 5 by 2. Okay, this 5 by 2 can you multiply with 1 by 4, then you will get the remaining part of 2.5 hours. Okay, so if you multiply this to 5 ones are 5, 2 fours are 8. Total 5 by 8 part of the novel in 2.5 hours. Okay. This is your example 6. Now see example 7. A swimming pool is filled 3 by 10 part in half an hour. Okay, in half an hour he was completed 3 by 10th of the part. How much will it be filled in 1.5 hour? Okay, just multiply those two, then you will get the answer. 3 by 10 into 1.5 means hour is 3 times the pool filled in the hours. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 3 times the filled. So 3 into 3 by 10 is your how much? 9 by 10. 3 3s are 9 by 10. Clear? 9 by 10 part of the pool will be filled in 1.5 hour. Okay, this is your example 7. Just try to understand the examples and write down in your classwork. Clear? Example 6 and example 7. Now we'll start the exercise 3. See in your exercise 3 first bit, find each of the following products. So you have to find out the multiplication, means you have to do the multiplication of two fractions. Okay, you have to do the multiplication. See the first question, or else I'll tell you the third question. The remaining first two problems you have to do by your own. What is your third question? 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. This can be given in the mixed fraction. So first you have to convert them into proper fraction. See 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3 into 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 by 5. So 16 7s are how much? Tell me. 16 7s are 7 6 are 42, 7 1s are 7, 94. 16 7s are 16 7s are 112 divided by 3 5s are 15. Okay, this is your multiplication of a given fraction. Okay, like that you have to do, just multiply. See the first question, 5 7s are 35, 35 divided by 6 11s are 66. Okay, that is your answer. See 6 into 1 by 5 is nothing but 6 divided by 5. 6 into 1 6 divided by 5. Here denominator is nothing, so take it as 1. 6 into 1 is your 6 and 1 into 5 is your 5. So total 6 by 5. Clear? That is your second problem. Do it in your book. Next, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Okay, what you have to do, you have to multiply and you have to reduce to the lowest form. See here 2 by 3 is there. Okay, in second bit, first one, 2 by 3 into 5 into 1 by 5. First convert into proper fraction. Okay, 2 by 3 into 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1 is 26 divided by 5. Now multiply. Okay, what you will get? 26 2s are how much? 52, 52 divided by 5 3s are 15. Now what you have to do, you have to write it is in lowest fraction, means just lowest fraction is nothing but you have to write it in mixed fraction. Clear? How can you write it is in mixed fraction? Just divide. How much? 15 1s are 15, 15 4s are how much? 60. So 15 3s are 45, 7 you will get. So this can be written as how? 3 7 by 15 is your mixed fraction. Clear? This is your answer. This is how you have to write. And see the second question, 2 1s are 2, 7 3s are 21. So 2 by 21, just divide. How much you will get? That one you have to write in mixed fraction. Here 9 5s are 45, 5 3s are 15. Divide and do. Write it in mixed fraction. Next, see here which one is greater. First what you have to do, 2 by 5 or 4 by 7. Means see here 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Clear? This is your question. First what you have to do, multiply these two and multiply these two. How much you will get? Based on your answers, which one is greater you have to find out. Clear? See if you multiply these two, how much you will get? 2 4s are 8, 5 7s are 35. Next, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. How much you will get? 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. See which one is greater? This one is greater or this one is greater? 3 by 8 is your greater fraction. Clear? This is your answer. Hence write down, therefore 3 by 8 is greater. Write down like that. Okay, this is your third bit. And second problem you have to do by your own. Next, see the fourth question. Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. She completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? What you have to do, just multiply these two, 2.5 hours into 7. Then you will get the answer. Okay, first read the question properly. Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. Okay, how many hours each she spent on embroidery on each day? 2.5 hours. Okay, now she completes the work in 7 days. Okay, total she completes that work in 7 days. Then the question is, how many hours did she work to complete a total embroidery? Okay, that is your question. So first of all, write down the given data. Fourth question. Okay, Rehana works, given data, clear? Rehana works 2.5 hours each day. Okay, Rehana completes the work in how many days ma? 7 days. Okay, now therefore she completes the work in hours equal to question mark. Okay, this is how this one you don't know, so you have to find that one. Clear? Now how can you do? Therefore 2.5 into means 2 into 1/2 into 7. Okay, take it as x, then x equal to, okay, clear? Here write down let she completes the work in hours equal to x. Okay, therefore x equal to 2 into 1/2 into 7. So this is in mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5/2 into 7. How much you will get? 5 7s are 35/2. Now convert it into mixed fraction, then you will get 17. Okay, means 17 1/2. This is your, means this many has to complete the work in 7 days. This is your answer. Therefore write down 17 1/2 has 17 1/2 has take Rehana takes, write down here, Rehana takes 17 1/2 hours to complete the work. Okay, write down like this. This is your conclusion. This is your result of your solution. Clear? Same. Next, see the fifth question. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 2/3 liters of petrol? See, 1 liter of petrol ki 8 kilometers run అయితే ట్రక్ అనేది 10 2/3 liters of petrol ki ఎంత distance run అవుతుంది అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So what you have to do, just same as it is in your earliest problems, write down the given data. A truck, in the first step write down a truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. That is your first step. And in your second step write down 10 2/3 liters of petrol is equal to question mark. Okay, now what you have to do means, or else take as x. Now what you have to do, 8 into, in your next step 8 into 10 into 2/3. Okay, 8 into 10 2/3. This is in your mixed fraction. Convert it into proper fraction, then you will get the answer. Okay, same as it is in fourth problem. Clear? This is your homework. Do it in your classwork. Next, see the sixth question. Raja walks 1/2 meters in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Okay, 1 second ki 1 into 1/2 meters walk చేస్తే 15 minutes ki ఎంత walk చేస్తున్నాడు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So 1 minute equal to how many seconds ma? 60 seconds, right? So total 15 minutes ki find out చేయాలి. అంటే 15 into 60. How much you will get? 15 6 ఎంత? 15 5 75, 15 6 90. So this 90 into 1/2. Clear? Okay, I will tell you this question. See, write down the given data. Sixth one, Raja walks 1/2 meters in 1 second. Okay, now Raja walks in 15 minutes. Therefore, the distance, write down elaborately, distance traveled in 15 minutes equal to x. Okay, take it as x letter. Okay, now 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Okay, total 15 minutes equal to enta 15 into 60. 15 6 are 135, so 13, 15 6 are 90, sorry, 15 6 are 90, so 900 you will get, total 900 seconds. సో 1 సెకండ్కి ఎంత అంటున్నాడు? 1/2 మీటర్స్ అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, 1 సెకండ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/2 మీటర్స్. దెన్ you will get total 900 seconds. 900 seconds equal to how much? You have to find that one. Okay, therefore 900 into 1/2. ఇక్కడ రాయండి, ఏమని రాస్తారు? రాజా walks distance in 15 minutes. Write down 900 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3/2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 450. 450 into 3 is nothing but 3 fives are 15, 1 3 fours are 12, 1350 kilometers. Okay, 1350 kilometers. Raja walks the distance in 15 minutes. This is your answer. Okay, understand the concept first of all and practice the question, then you will get the answer. Means you can understand the problem. Clear? See the 7th question. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. See, ఇక్కడ 2/3 ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న, బాక్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, అండ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20/21 ఇచ్చాడు. అంటే if you want to make a LHS equal to RHS, okay, ఇవి రెండు ఈక్వల్ ఉండేలా చూసుకోవాలి. సో here 2/3 is given. Which fraction you should multiply to get 20/21? Okay, see ఇక్కడ 10 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, 10 2s are 20 divided by 7 తీసుకుంటే 7 3s are 21, 10/7. Okay, like that you have to cross check and you have to equate the LHS equal to RHS. Clear? Next, same as it is here, 3 you will get on numerator and 7 5s are 35. Okay, means here which number you should get? Tell me. See, write down here 3/5, 5 3s are 15, 15/35. Okay, just do 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. Clear? Here 3 and you will get here 7. Okay, చూడండి 5/7. if you write here 3/5, then you will get total 5 3s are 15, 15 divided by 7 5s are 35. if you cancellation with 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, and here numerator already 3 is given, denominator is nothing but you will get 7. Write down that 7 in that box. Clear? This is about your multiplication with a multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. Okay, now we'll see division of fractions in your next class, and up to here means up to exercise 3 complete your all problems in your classwork. Clear? This is about your today's class. If you are having any doubt, just comment me and we'll meet in next class ma. Thank you. Bye.